Alright, this is an easy and I think cheap way to mix a bunch of cement with relative efficiency. I got this drill from a friend who bought it on sale. I don't think it was even $100. This is the biggest cement mixer that Home Depot sells in their tile department. It's like $23. This is a 10-gallon brute bucket. I got this bucket with a marker line pre-measured for 3 quarts of water and 80 pounds of cement. I'm doing this at night. So sorry for that, but I think you can see. I'm gonna put all of the water in first. That's key. I won't edit this so you can see how long it takes. Seems like a little bit less than 3 quarts is coming out with a nice mix. Put that in, open your bag, put half of the bag approximately. Mix it up. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I think you want to mix pretty well. Make sure it's not loose. I was kind of giving them like a side shake sometimes, but it's hard to do with one hand. Alright, now put in maybe another quarter. Make sure you can go all the way around the bottom without getting stuck. You don't want anything dry in the bottom because that'll make it hard once it's all in there. The rest in. And go. How's that? That's it. 4 minutes doing it with one hand.